Good morning,
sir.
So this is the new audition.
Okay.
Our children are going to Aerospace. They have been every Saturday, Sunday.
You have been. That's quite a sacrifice, you know. But you will learn a lot of things. You guys will learn a lot of things. I mean, who all of you are going to NASA? Fantastic. Fantastic. That's great. I mean, to visit NASA is not a joke. To get a US visa itself is not a joke. I mean, to be invited to visit NASA is like, dream for me. All the best.
I'm going to show you how the flight goes.
I'm going to show how the plane stays in the
So you will be seated. How does a plane stay in flight? Being able to fly to other parts of the world for business and pleasure has completely revolutionized our way of life. But when you're sitting there scoffing down your in-flight meal, do you ever wonder how it is that the huge metal tube you're sitting in manages to stay up in the air? There are two things the plane needs. Thrust comes from the engines and the lift comes from the wings. If you look at the cross-section of a plane wing, you can see that they're a curved, smooth shape, and even mid-flight they're tipped slightly upwards at the front. Let's take a look at the underside first. As the air rushes towards the wing, it has to pass underneath it in order to get past, so the airflow is deflected downwards. Because of Newton's third law, that every force has an equal and opposite reaction, where it's a bit more complicated. The air is once again deflected downwards, but this time by something called the Coanda effect. This pulls the airstream towards the wing, and once again, because of Newton's third law, pulls the wing upwards towards the airstream.
So there are one is the lift, which is pulling the aircraft up, and one is the thrust, which is pushing the aircraft forward. And these two forces join together to make the aircraft fly.
If the wing is at too high an angle, it uses the lift, which can in fact cause the plane to crash. If the engines stop working, the thrust pushing the plane forwards will decrease, and the plane will start to slow down. Luckily, as long as it doesn't stop dead, it won't just immediately lose lift and plummet out of the sky. The wings will still provide lift, allowing the plane to glide, allowing the pilot
forward through the jet engines, and the jet engines make the aircraft to move forward. It provides a thrust for the aircraft. So
power source, which needs to be as light as possible. This rules out quite a lot of potential options. For instance, running a plane on coal would be somewhat challenging. The jet engine make the plane move forwards. Well, if you stand on a skateboard and spray a fire extinguisher,
a big fan, a turbo fan at the front, and the air moves into the jet engine, and this fan compresses the air and leads to the gas pipe. And petrol is injected through sparkles inside the combustion, and when air is mixed with it, it gives a combustion, and then the air is pushed backwards. This is the basic formula.
engine power.
Thank you very much.
Good.
And these are all the models constructed by them in the workshop and colleagues. And then we go on there.
So it moves as well.
Yes, it moves. This is batteries. It can be.
And what is the tail used for?
Sir, it's used for this rudder is used for your turning left and right, sir.
It
makes
gives
the
direction.
yes, sir.
It gives direction, isn't it?
Then stabilizer.
Sir,
Stabilizer.
this is the vertical stabilizer, sir. At the back part of the vertical stabilizer, the rudder is fixed, sir. And the horizontal stabilizer makes the aircraft to take off and land, sir.
I mean, you have gone to Thar, isn't it? You have seen an aircraft there. You have seen a wing. In the wing, you can see a sleeve kind of a thing with that flap.
Yes, sir.
What is that used for?
It's ailerons, sir. It's used for yawing motion, sir. It makes the aircraft turn like this, sir. And the rudders help the ailerons to turn the aircraft a little.
And how does the aircraft stop?
Sir, it doesn't stop in a certain place, sir. It lands.
So when it
How
lands,
does a plane
the brakes are applied, or has the wing got any role in that?
Sir, while landing, sir, it lands in a high force, sir. So after a certain distance, they use the rudders and turn the zigzag manner, sir. So the speed may decrease, sir. That's it.
So the wing doesn't have any, action in stopping the wing.
No, sir.
Sir, when air is compressed inside the jet engine, sir, then the petrol is sparkled there and then it combusts. So there is no chance of.
See, when a coal air inside, in a problem with coal.